Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to reset Forgotten Password Roblox. To start, you will access the Roblox login screen in the link that we leave you in the video description. You will click on the question, Forgot Password or Username. In this new window, enter the email for the reset, or you can click on the phone option. In this case, we enter the email and click Submit. Wait for shipping confirmation. After this, in the email received, click on Reset Password. You are going to enter and confirm your new password. When you hit Submit, you can see that you will be redirected to the Roblox website. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.